Welcome to Cool Happenings. Everything I find cool and amazing. Your one-stop channel for all your accessible tech solutions.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Okay, welcome to Cool Happenings Tech Accessibility channel. And today I have a demonstration or something I would like to talk about. The topic is about dictation in multi-languages. Now, I'm not sure why you may want to do it. There may be some reasons though. As for me, being a multi-language speaker, I speak a couple of languages. I may want to use it, but it's a matter of preference, and it's just you may want to use it or not. It's a matter of preference. Now, to use this multi-language dictation feature, you'll have to have some settings enabled. You need to go into your keyboard settings. So let's go into our iPhone Apple keyboard settings. So let's go into settings.
General, heading.
You go into settings, the general, then swipe till you find keyboard. So let's swipe. Let me reduce the speech rate.
Words. Speaking rate, 60%.
Okay, so now let's swipe. Settings, general. Now I'm in general, so now we swipe the keyboard.
General, about, software, airdrop, handoff, CarPlay, accessibility, iPhone storage, background app, date and time, keyboard, button.
Keyboard, one finger double tap to launch.
Selected, general, back button.
Now you swipe and you select the keyboard whose language you would like to use in your dictation feature. So let's swipe.
55% keyboards, heading,
Keyboards.
6, button.
I have 6 keyboards, so let's double tap to see what keyboards I have selected. One finger double tap.
Keyboards, back button.
Now let's swipe.
Keyboards, heading, edit, button. English, United States,
So I
button.
have English
Actions available.
United States, swipe right.
Emoji,
Emoji.
Hindi, transliteration, right arrow, dollar.
I have Hindi transliteration. Now, transliteration is more of typing in Roman letters and it gets typed in the Hindi language, instead. So that's Hindi transliteration. Swipe right.
Indonesian, button.
I have Indonesian. I speak Indonesian, so I have Indonesian.
Hindi,
I have Hindi, the Hindi default keyboard, not the transliteration keyboard. Swipe right.
Malay, button.
I have Malay language. I speak Malay as well. Indonesian and Malay is similar, but not really. There are differences as well. So let's swipe right.
Add new keyboard,
And
ellipsis.
you can add new
Button.
keyboard. So total I have 6 keyboards selected as my default virtual keyboard. Now, to use any of the dictation, okay, I will launch Notes, my default Notes app on my iPhone. So let's launch Notes. I will use Siri to launch. Hey Siri, launch Notes.
Notes, folder, notes,
Okay, so let's go to new note.
notes, heading, edit, dimmed, search, attachment browser, no notes, new note, button,
New
notes,
note.
folders, back button,
I'll get a new note, should pop up, will appear, so let's swipe.
notes, edit, button, search, games, 30/0, 42 notes, 42 note, new note, button, new note, text field,
Okay.
is editing, insertion point at
Now,
start,
to demonstrate
quick nav off,
multi-language dictation, once you any edit field opens up. It doesn't matter if you are in an app. I would normally use, if I were going to use dictation, a scenario would be, well, chatting with someone who speaks a different language, for instance, and I would like to relay my message to the person. What I do is, once the edit field opens up, the keyboard will pop up, the virtual keyboard. Put your finger just to the left of spacebar.
Note, text field is editing. Character mode. Quick nav on. Handwriting tools. Button.
Okay, I forgot my keyboard is turned on. Let's switch off my keyboard. Okay, now the keyboard will appear on my iPhone screen, and the virtual keyboard I mean. So now put the one finger just to the left of the virtual keyboard spacebar.
B. Space.
Now, left.
X. More. Space. More. Space. More. More. Numbers. Next keyboard. Emoji. Button.
Okay, now it's currently, let's double tap. When you double tap and hold on the emoji keyboard and swipe. Now to change the keyboard, what you do is double tap, hold on the current keyboard and drag your finger upwards on your iPhone screen. So let's do it right now.
More. Next keyboard. Emoji. Button.
Double tap, drag up.
Left-handed.
Bahasa Melayu.
Okay, let's
Bahasa Indonesia.
let's leave it to let's select one, Bahasa Indonesia. Okay,
Key.
now it's in Bahasa Indonesia. Now to dictate in the language you have selected, you need to choose the keyboard, then select the dictation option, which should appear towards the right of the spacebar, or do a 2-finger double tap on your iPhone screen. So let's do it right now.
C. Spasi. Kembali. Spasi. Lainnya. Spasi.
Dictate.
Okay,
Button.
there's dictate. So let's do do a single finger double tap and dictate your message. So let's need to compose something up, cook up something in my mind. So let's think of what to say. Something like, okay, I'll ask for the location of a hospital in Indonesian language. So I'll do a 1-finger double tap to start dictation. Hai, di mana rumah sakit Hasan Sadikin?
Inserted Hadi Monaruma Sakit Hassan Sadikin.
Yes, so you see inserted the text in the language I spoke, in this case Indonesian. Now I'll go to the next line.
Spasi. Kembali.
Kembali is enter in Indonesian, double tap to go to new line.
New line.
Now I'll change
Sadikin.
the language by doing the same thing, locating Indonesian language keyboard, double tap, hold, and drag my finger up to select the next language.
Spasi. Z. Lainnya. Angka.
Next keyboard. English US. Button.
Okay, double tap.
Next
to
keyboard.
select.
Emoji.
Okay, I've selected English US. Now to dictate in English, the same thing. Select the dictation button, or now in this case, I'll do a 2-finger double tap on the screen to start dictation. Hi, how are you? My name is Elijah.
Speech off. Speech on. Next keyboard. Return.
Let's see what has been dictated.
Note. Hi, how are you? My name is Elijah Sketchel.
Okay.
Body. System font. 17 point.
So it's
Dark gray.
correct.
Natural
The
alignment.
first-
Indentation level 0.
Okay, the first I dictated in Indonesian. Let's see where it is. Let's okay. Let's hope it's all here.
Handwriting tools. Button. Hide toolbar. Handwriting tools. Hide tool. Q. Hide tool. Handwriting. Insert. But checklist. Text styles. Add table. Note. Text field. Is editing. Hey D Monaruma Sakit Hassan Sadikin. Hi, how are you? My name is Elijah Sketchel. Character mode.
Okay.
Insertion point at end.
Okay, so you see I've dictated in Indonesian, second in English. Now for the third dictation, I will dictate in Malay, which is the Malaysian national language Bahasa Melayu is the national language of Malaysia. So I do the same, put my finger on space bar, find the keyboard, drag up till I find the Malay keyboard.
Space. More. Numbers. Next keyboard.
Bahasa Indonesia.
Button.
Drag up,
Left-handed layout.
Bahasa Melayu.
leave, okay. Now the keyboard is in Malay language, so to dictate in Malay, the same thing, either double tap on dictation button located towards the right side. It may be on the right or left, just navigate, browse, explore by touch. But I would choose to do a 2-finger double tap to start dictation.
Hide. I.
That's fine. Let's get to go to new line first.
Limit. Not N. Table index. Adjustable. N. Next keyboard. Table index. N. N. Next keyboard. N. Limit. Number. B. Search field. Table index. Adjustable. G. Notes. Note. Text field. Is editing. Hey D Monaruma Sakit Hassan Sadakin. Hi, how are you? My name is Elijah Sketchel.
Okay.
Insertion point at end.
Let's go to new line.
M. Padam. Padam. M. M. Padam. L. Padam. M. N. J. K. L. Lima. Padam.
Bottom is delete.
Space. Dictate. Button. B. V. Space. X. Z. O. L. Lima.
Okay, let's go to
L.
our dictate new line.
K. L. Padam. Padam. L.
Garis Baru. Well, let's see, hope it's new line.
Inserted Garis Baru Riziki Hobi.
Okay, that's because it's dictating my current speech as well. Now let's go. Okay, I'll just switch back to English US keyboard and select enter to go to new line. The new line of options not appearing. Let's see.
I. O. L.
And
Padam.
Padam.
Padam. L. P. L. Padam. New line.
Okay,
Hobi.
that's new line. Now I'll change keyboard. I'll change the keyboard to Hindi.
Space. Z. Limit. Number. Next keyboard. English US. Button.
Double tap.
Left-handed layout.
Slide up.
Default layout. Hindi.
Hindi, leave a keyboard,
AU.
leave my finger. Now the keyboard is in the Hindi keyboard to dictate in Hindi. Same thing, 2-finger double tap on the screen to start dictation. Hi, मेरा नाम Elijah है.
Inserted. हाँ मेरा नाम जुड़ा है.
Okay, that was wrong. Okay, let's try the dictation one more time. Hi, आपका नाम क्या है?
Inserted. हाँ आपका नाम क्या है?
Okay, आपका नाम क्या है? So you see, let's see the final composition or text we have just written.
Note. Huh. Space. June 10th, 2000. Note. Text field. Is editing. Hey D Monaruma Sakit Hassan Sadakin. Hi, how are you? My name is Elijah Sketchel Garis Baru Riziki Hobi. Huh. Space. Mira. Space. Nam. Space. Jura. Space. Hai. Space. Huh. Space. Aapka. Space. Nam. Space. Kya. Space. Hai. Insertion point at end.
Okay, as you can see, I've dictated in 4 different languages, English, Indonesian, Malay, and finally Hindi. And it's because I speak the language, and I believe, well, this feature would come in useful for us who would like to, for voiceover users. It's a good feature to learn a new language, because selecting a different language, practicing the speaking style, the pronunciation, because Siri will make sure you need to ensure your words are pronounced correctly for them to be understood by Siri and keyed in when you are typing the keyboard, right? So with this feature, we can in fact use it, I guess maybe perhaps to improve our comprehension skill of a new language. I would like to learn Spanish, so I may try it with the Spanish or French language. Spanish, French or German, these three languages are my language of choice, which I would like to learn in the not too long distant future. Alright, so small demonstration of how we may enable and use multi-dictation on iOS with voiceover enabled. Alright guys, we'll see you again. If you like these demonstrations I do, consider subscribing to receive notifications whenever new important videos are added, and hit the like button because doing so will surely motivate my team and I to make many more accessible basic tech tutorials in Windows, Android and the iOS based platforms, all with screen reader users in mind. Till I see you again, have a wonderful and amazing day ahead. Bye bye.